Hey, what's up everyone? It's Carmelo here, the creator X3D, and I have a cool little unboxing from our friend Ben, the CEO and founder of Hawk3DProto. I don't know what's in here. I'm kind of excited. I turned on the camera so that you guys can see what's inside here at the same time that I'm seeing it. I shouldn't be hitting this. I don't know what's inside. So you know what? Let's get unwrapping. I don't know what's in here. So you and I are going to see this at the same time. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Ben has sent me some cool Polymaker filaments. So cool. Teal. Polymax PLA. He also sent color filler. Pretty cool. Cool, man. And it's piggy pink. I know there's a lady out there. Heather is gonna like the prints I make with this. Ooh, baby. Heather. So now I have 2 spools of pink. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Good stuff. What do we got here? Proto pasta. I have not yet messed around with the Proto pasta. And this is HTPLA matte fiber. Again, Proto pasta. Whoa, another Proto pasta. Aromatic coffee. No freaking way. I've been dying to use this. How awesome. Yo, Ben, seriously, thank you so much, man. I've been dying to play around with this stuff, man. So yeah, thank you so much, Ben. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do this unboxing, and without you, I wouldn't be able to test all these cool filaments that you sent over. From the bottom of my heart, thanks, bro. I really appreciate it, and hope you enjoy the stuff that I make with it. And YouTubers, if you like the video, just hit like and subscribe. The button should be somewhere around here. Right there. Subscribe and like. I recommend you following me on Twitter. I post a lot of updates of recent projects, current projects, things I'm going to be doing in the near future. Yeah, give me a follow. If you don't know what I do, I make cosplay stuff, fun stuff. Like Venom. I am the law. Wait, that's not the right movie. Toys like this, stuff like this, and stuff like this. Ugh. If you like, hit subscribe, hit like. It really helps a lot, or it's gonna help a lot. Follow me on Twitter, and I'm also on Patreon if you'd like to help me gather more supplies so that I can bring and as always, guys, may the geek be with you.